Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn semester 1 engineering previous year's model paper. Okay, this is the question paper that we learn today. Now let us solve the problems. First one, prove that 2 plus 3i by 2 minus 3i is equals to 2i tan inverse 3 by 2. Okay, now take 2 plus 3i by 2 minus 3i. Multiply with the complex conjugate. 2 plus 3i by 2 plus 3i, which gives the value 2 plus 3i whole square by 2 square minus 3i square, gives the value 2 square plus 2 into 3i plus 3i whole square by 2 square gives the value 4, and this is plus 9 because I square value is minus 1. Okay, this value is 4 plus 12i minus 9 by 13, gives the value minus 5 plus 12i by 13. Okay, now this can be written as minus 5 by 13 plus 12 by 13 into I. Okay, this is in the form of x plus iy, where the value of x is minus 5 by 13 and y is 12 by 13. Okay, now we know argument of complex number that can be written as theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. Okay, that can be written as tan inverse minus 12 by 13 by 5 by 13 minus 5 by 13, that equals to 13 gets cancelled out, 12 by 5 minus, okay, this is tan inverse 12 by 5. Okay, so what we get the value of theta is equals to tan inverse minus 12 by 5. Now logarithmic of complex number, this can be written as z is equals to r e power I theta. Okay, apply log z is equals to log r e power I theta. This can be written as log r plus log e power I theta. This can be written as log r plus I theta log e. Here magnitude r is equals to 1, so log 1 value is 0. Okay, so this value becomes 0 plus I theta, and log and e gets cancelled out, so I theta 0. So log z, so log z is equals to I into theta, where theta is the value I into tan inverse minus 12 by 5. Okay, now tan 2 theta gives the value 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, which can be written as, in the place of theta write the value 3 by 2. Tan theta, in the place of tan theta write the value 3 by 2, gives the value 2 into 3 by 2 by 1 minus 3 by 2 whole square, which gives the value 2 and 2 gets cancelled out, 3 by 1 minus 9 by 4, which is equals to 3 by 4 minus 9 by 4, which is equals to 12 by minus 5. Okay, 12 by minus 5, you get the required answer. As you get the same value, so we can write it as log 2 plus 3i by 2 minus 3i is equals to 2i tan inverse 3 by 2. Hence proof. Prove that every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as a sum of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrix. So we can write as, let A be the square matrix. So sum of Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrix. So H is the Hermitian matrix and K is skew Hermitian matrix. Okay, so we have to prove this. So as we know, H can be represented as half A plus A conjugate whole transpose, and K can be represented as half A plus A minus A conjugate whole transpose. So add these two, we get the value as half, taking half common, A plus A conjugate whole transpose plus A minus A conjugate whole transpose. So this value gets cancelled out. So half into 2A, which is equals to A. Hence the required matrix you have got. Or else you can take an example and solve the problem. Take example. A is equals to 1 plus I, 2, 3, 1 minus I, or else 4 minus I. Okay, now what is the conjugate transpose? Gives the value 1 plus I, 3, 2, 4 minus I. So Hermitian matrix can be written as half A plus A transpose. So 1 plus I, 2, 3, 4 minus I plus 1 plus I, 3, 2, 4 minus I, which is the answer is 1 plus I, 2. The answer will be half 2 into 1 plus I. 2 plus 3 gives the value 5. 3 plus 2 gives the value 5, and 2 into 4 minus I. Okay, this is the value of H. Now K can be written as half 1 plus I, 2, 3, 4 minus I, minus 1 plus I, 3, 2, 4 minus I. So the value of K will be half 1 plus I minus 1 plus I, 0, 2 minus 3, minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus I, 0. Okay, now we have to add these two. So take H plus K, we get half common, 2 into 1 plus I, 5, 5, 2 into 4 minus I, plus 0 minus 1, 1, 0. So now what you get the answer here, half into 2 into 1 plus I plus 0 gives the value 2 into 1 plus I. 5 minus 1 gives the value 4. 5 plus 1 gives the value 6. 2 into 4 minus I. Now take 2 common, half into 2 into 1 plus I, 2, 3, 4 minus I. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. So the remaining matrix is same of A. Hence proved. Z is equals to x square y plus y square. X value is log t and y value is e power t. Find dou z by dou t at t is equals to 1. Okay, now substitute the values here. Z is equals to log t whole square into e power t plus e power t whole square. This can be written as e power 2t. Okay, now so find dou z by dou t gives the value 2 into log t. What is the differentiation of log t? 1 by t into e power t plus, now we have to differentiate this, log t whole square into e power t plus e power 2t into 2. Here the formula is used as d by dx of u into v gives the value u differentiation of v plus v differentiation of u. Okay, here the formula is used like this. So where the value of v is log d, okay, whole square, and u is e power t. Okay, now we have to take dou z by dou t at t is equals to 1. So when you put log t, that is equals to log 1, value is 0 here, so this value becomes 0 and this value becomes 0, so only the remaining value is e power 2 into 1 into 2, so the answer is 2 e power 2, which is the required answer we have. Now this is the question we have. X by 2x plus 3 into x plus 2. Now do the partial fraction. This can be written as a by 2x plus 3 plus b by x plus 2. So do the partial fraction. X is equals to a into x plus 2 plus b into 2x plus 3. From this we get the value a plus 2b is equals to 1 and 2a plus 3b is equals to 0 here, so multiply it by 2, which gets the value here 2a plus 4b is equals to 2 and 2a plus 3b is equals to 0. Okay, so subtract it, gets the value cancel, and b is equals to 2. We got the value b is equals to 2 and substitute in this, gives the value a plus 4 is equals to 1. So what the value of a is minus 3, and put these two values in this. So what we get the value here, minus 3 and 2. Now we have to find the nth derivative. We have the formula here. The nth derivative is dou n by dou x power n into 1 by ax plus v, gives the value here minus 1 whole power n into n factorial a power n by ax plus b whole power n plus 1. Okay, substitute this value in this. Dou n by dou x power n gives the value here minus 3 into minus 1 whole power n into n factorial into 2 power n by 2x plus 3 whole power n plus 1. Dou n by dou x power n into 2 by x plus 2 can be written as 2 into minus 1 whole power 1 into n factorial into 1 power n gives the value 1 into x plus 2 whole power n plus 1, which is the required answer we have. For this to solve, first we have the binomial expansion. Sine power n theta gives the value here 1 by 2 power n minus 1 into k is equals to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 whole power k n 2k sine n minus 2k into theta, which gives the value here. What is the value of n is 5, so 1 by 2 power sine power 5 theta. So first we can calculate 1 by 2 power 5 minus 1, so this can be written as 1 by 2 power 4, which is equals to 1 by 16. So we got the value this 1 by 16. Now calculate this, where k value will be 0, 1 and 2. Okay, only 3 times. So first, when k is equals to 0, we get minus 1 whole power 0, 5, 0 sine 5 minus 0, which gives the value theta, which gives the value here. This value becomes 0, this value becomes 0, and this value is sine 5 theta, which is we got. Then when k is equals to 1, minus 1 whole power 1 into 5 2 and sine 5 minus 2 theta gives the value here minus 5c2 which is equals to 5 into 4 by 2 into 1, 2 ones 2 twos, so 10 into sine 3 theta. Okay, so this gives the value minus 10 sine 3 theta. We got the second value here. Now where k is equals to 2, minus 1 whole square 5 4 2 2's 4 sine 5 minus 4 theta, so which gets the value here 1 into 5c4. 5c4 means 5 into 4 by 4 factorial by 4 factorial, so 4 factorial gets cancelled out, only 5 remains, and sine 5 minus 4 only theta, so this value is 5 sine theta. So we got this value 5 sine theta, which is the required answer we have. When you add all these, you'll get this answer. Now comes to this question. If u is equals to f of y minus x by xy, z minus x by xy, then show that x square dou u by dou x plus y square dou u by dou y plus z square dou u by dou z is equals to 0. First take dou u by dou x. Gives the value here 0 minus 1 into xy minus y minus x into y by x square y square, comma, this value is 0 minus 1 into xz minus z minus x into z by x square z square. So this value gives dou u by dou x gives the value here minus xy minus y square plus xy by x square y square minus xz minus z square plus xz by x square z square. Cancel this out. What you get the value dou u by dou x gives the value here minus y square by x square y square and minus z square by x square z square. This value gets cancelled out, so minus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square. Now we have to calculate x square dou u by dou x. Okay, this value we have to calculate. When you multiply x square, when you multiply to this x square minus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square, you get the value here minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so this is the value of x square dou u by dou x. So x square dou u by dou x gives the value here minus 1 comma minus 1. Now comes to dou u by dou y. Okay, now this value gives here 1 minus 0 into xy minus y minus x into x by x square y square, comma, here you have no y value, so this value becomes 0 here. Multiply xy minus yx plus x square by x square y square, comma, 0. So cancel this out. This value becomes x square by x square into y square, comma, 0. This value gets cancelled out. Now we have to find this is dou u by dou y value. Now we have to find y square into dou u by dou y. This gives the value 1 by y square comma 0. So when you multiply y square, this value gets cancelled out, so this value becomes 1 comma 0. So y square dou u by dou y gives the value here 1 comma 0. Now we have to find out dou u by dou z, that equals to you don't have any z value here, so this value is 0, and 1 minus 0 into xz minus z minus x into x by x square z square. Okay, so dou u by dou z gives the value here 0 comma xz minus xz plus x square by x square z square. This value gets cancelled out, and this x square gets cancelled out, so remaining is 0 into 1 by z square. Now dou u by dou z value is this, so z square dou u by dou z value will becomes 0 comma into z square 1 by z square. So what this value becomes cancelled out, so this value is 0 comma 1. So what the value of dou square z u by z square dou u by dou z is equals to 0 comma 1. Okay, now when you substitute all these values in the given equation, we get minus 1 plus 1 comma 0 plus 0 comma 1. Okay, when you add all this, you will get the value 0, which is the required answer we have. Hence, please like, share and subscribe. If you had any kinds of doubts, please comment me in the comment section. The next problems will be continuing in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.